All right, so are you moving a lot of clothes and you want to take them off the hanger? I have a quick tip here for you. See, I finished that one. I'm gonna show you how I did it. All right, so what you're gonna do is take a trash bag. This is a 13-gallon. Open it up. What you're gonna do from the bottom, you're gonna just make a hole. Make a hole in the bottom, just like that. Make a hole in the bottom. What you want to do is want to make sure that obviously the way that the hanger is, it's going to go in this way, long, with the bag. It's just going to look like that. So I'm going to hang it that way. So I'll show you, demonstrate. All right, so I got my bag open here. This, oh, can't really see it, but I got my opening here. I'm going to fit these hangers through here. It's going to be hard to do one-handed, obviously. I'm going to take these, fit them in, and I'm going to do that on both sides, and I'm going to pull it snug. I'll show you. All right, so I've got my first couple in here. The biggest thing is what you want to do is, so all I'm going to do, I'm going to go underneath, so this hole here goes underneath those. I'm going to put the hangers underneath the hole, right? Put them back in the rack. I'm going to pull it snug. You want it to be tight, just like this, and it's not gonna go anywhere. And boom, just like that. They're not going anywhere. You're ready to move.